Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and I just finished making my work in progress video. I thought while I'm here, let's make my Things We're Making Thursday video. Okay, so hope you checked out my last video. All these cute little guys here, and all my other stuff. But I think I said in my last video that I had a project done already for June's Mystery Yarn Challenge, hosted by Lori over at Armchair Chef. Here we come. Here it is. That's a little basket. And that one of the videos was the strawberry stitch, and that's what this bowl is made out of. Strawberry. This is the strawberry stitch. Just thinking how cute it would look if I actually used the color, the red and green. I bet you that would be really cute, but not that this isn't cute. Well, the story with it, well, it's this one because I was going to make a single crochet, a hat, single crochet, and I didn't like, after a while, didn't like how it felt. I thought, let's make it a bowl and incorporate one of the items from June's Mystery Yarn Challenge, and there it is. I really like how this turned out. This turned out really cute. I said I might have to make another one trying to actually use the colors. Maybe actually make an actual berry bowl or a strawberry bowl, but that's what this is, a little berry bowl. Very cute. Yeah, and that's bottom, and yeah, the berries took it way out, but yeah, I like it. I like how this is. All it is one way, like one or two, couple of strands of 1 or 2 weight yarn together for this. You can see some of it's sparkly, so some of it was the Summer Nights. I think one was like one from Timu, and I can't remember if there was any others, but yeah, like 3 or 4 1 weight yarn together. Yeah, that is cute. So the only other thing I got done is, all this is just a thermal stitch, and we made it into like little sponges. Yeah, that's all it is. Thermal stitch. I like the thermal stitch, so I got that one. I got this one. And here I've got one with scrap. I had some scrap cotton, and then there we are. I made this one. So yeah, the thing is that, yeah, this was a thicker weight. This was that scrubby stuff, which now finally all used up. And this is like the Dollar Tree, which I think is a lighter weight. So kind of, you got a heavier weight on that end and lighter on that end, but it's for washing dishes, so this would truly be used for washing dishes, because we would use up some scraps, make it into a little dish sponge. Now this one, I think I'll have to give an update either in my community tab or something, because I also got this one going on, kind of like want to make it a duster. Yes, because all it is little loops. That's the back side. Little loops, so we can use it for like dusting and that. So, but yeah, that's not quite done, so I'll have to give an update, the community tab, or maybe I'll add on later to the video. But that is it. Oh, thumbnail. I don't know if I'm gonna leave. Yeah, we can. I don't know if I'm gonna leave this one in, but yeah, why not? Thumbnail. 4 things we're making Thursday. Okay. Alright, that's it. Short video. So if you did like this video, please get a like. I want to see more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.